just go? Can we just go? Figure out where we're going. Can we just
Hi guys, in today's video we're going to be doing a closet organization, a little bit of changing of the season since it is now spring. It is soon going to be April, and so I figured what time could be better than now to clean out the closet. Show you what it looks like now. Brace yourself, brace yourself. It's a little chaotic. As you can see, there's a lot to be done in here. Step one, I switched from my previous season clothes to now like spring, summer. So today's goal is I washed clothes last night. I need to fold those, put them away, organize while I'm putting them away. I want to have like a section where there's like dresses, my nicer clothing, and then up here have more of my like nicer top, not t-shirt-y kind of clothing. So I have some of my more non-t-shirt, one wear to class kind of clothes. So I need to add those in there. I have this blanket that I use every night. It's very puffy, big, it's very comfortable. I talked about it in one of my previous videos. I just usually stick it in here, and it needs to find more regular organized home. That'll be something. I have my extra towels in this basket, and they're still pretty organized, so we're gonna keep that there. I have a whole bunch of these tops that I need to hang because I literally just finished taking and switching out clothing, so I need to put these on these extra hangers that we have over here. Another towel up here, so like a lot's just going on. We're going to first my laundry. After that, we're organize stuff as we put it in here, and then down here I have these drawers. So I have more of like my everyday bottom, and then like my t-shirts. We're gonna go through there and organize, make it cute. I do have dividers in there. Wouldn't be able to tell at the current moment. Utilize those and make that a lot better. It is about 3-ish, so we're gonna go ahead and knock this out. If you want this to be a continuous thing, let me know down below in the comments if you like these like clean, organized kind of videos. I know you guys love my clean with me, cue all the old ones. So this is a different take on that because I already have to switch out my clothes, so I figured might as well do somewhat of a spring clean. I know when I do all this, I like my hair, I put it in this ponytail water over here. So I showed you guys the before. And let's get to work to making that after. So now everything is done. Not everything, but the second step is now done. I've gone through, got all the laundry I washed last night. It's all folded up. You done, sir? All folded up on my bed, and now it's the next stage. We're gonna hop on into this closet over here, hang the things that need to be hung. We're gonna work on that. You done now, sir? Let's just get to it. Current update. I went ahead, as you guys saw, organized these so it has all my like nicer top dresses, all those things, and then my little rain jacket, my blazer, cardigan, some fancier pants, flowy longer pants. All that is over here in this section. I took some stuff down from up there, kept the duvet that's in that bag, put a new basket up there, that way I could gain some more space up here to stick the blanket. Not the most neatly folded, but it's in a spot and it's not like all over the closet. Have my camera bag now up there because it used to be on the floor. You can see we're gonna handle the shoes situation next. Light progress being made. I kept one of the baskets there, organized a little bit so it could be nice and neat in that area. These used to be here in the middle where now I have all my candles and essential oil diffuser, and I just stuck them in here, and it's not really a hassle just to move them. Then I have my other towels and stuff here. We're going to now handle this situation out here. Need to go through this, and then these are some stuff that needs to go in these bins. I think first I'm gonna go ahead and handle the shoe situation. That way the closet will be completely done after that. Let's see what we can do with these shoes, and I hope you guys are still enjoying the video. Don't forget to subscribe. We're gonna hop right back to it. I think it's only been about 45 minutes, not quite an hour yet. So we're making pretty decent time. Take a little close leg and get back to it. So to go ahead and start, I'm going to pull these out. They go pretty deep. This is the extent that both bins go. Over here is gonna be like my t-shirt situation where we're gonna have all of my clothes that I really probably wear most frequently. I think I'm just gonna fold them nice and neatly. And then I have all of my like bottoms. So y'all previously saw the before. thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Comment down below what you're going to be doing for spring cleaning this year, how you're going to be participating. Are you going to organize your closet, declutter, clean up? I don't know. Let me know down below. Follow me on Instagram. Catch you guys next Sunday. Bye guys.